I'm sorry.
Hi, my name is Patrick Rhodes. I'm a student at the University of South Alabama, majoring in interdisciplinary studies. Today we'll be talking about my paper on leadership styles of Electoral College. The introduction is, the Electoral College is a pivotal part of the United States democracy. The Electoral College vote is the body of people representing the states of the United States of America who formally cast votes for the election of the president and vice president. In this paper, I will discuss Electoral College votes, why it is thought to be unfair, and how democratic leadership can make electoral votes more equal. Electoral College votes. Electoral College is a process that I feel needs to be addressed and understood by Americans. The Founding Fathers established the Electoral College in the Constitution as a compromise between elections of the presidents by vote in Congress and election of the president by popular vote of qualified citizens. Electoral College is a body of people representing the states of the U.S. who formally cast votes for the election of the president and vice president. This same process consists of selections of electors, which contains 538 electors. There must be 270 electoral votes to be elected president. Here go a view of the current elections electoral votes on the Democratic side and the other side. Obama and Romney, this was back in 2008. Obama won most of the states here. Romney had all the center states. These are always the Republican side. Republic states, really. Electoral College unfair reasoning. It has been believed that you help choose the president. The truth is, the state electoral college decides the state's vote. This is considered unfair because every elector can change their vote at any time to the compact. It is also deemed unfair because there is no one to monitor if the state electors is voting based on popular vote or a different agenda. I feel that this is not fair due to how I would know if my vote impacted the presidential race. When you vote for your candidate, you are voting for an elector to decide for you. It is always taught that each vote has counted towards a presidential selection. When the actual voting took place, I was surprised to see who was ahead. The media played a major role in telling people who they thought was ahead and giving hope to try to motivate as many people to vote. In using the Electoral College, many states voted for a different candidate, which is why I feel that this way of voting is unfair. I feel that the voters should be made by popular votes, in my opinion. Leadership styles. Leadership style is defined as the behaviors of leaders, focusing on what leaders do and how they act. There are several different types of leadership styles: authoritative, democratic, and laissez-faire leadership styles. Authoritative leaders need to control subordinates in what they do. Laissez-faire leaders do not try to control subordinates, nor do they nurture and guide them. Democratic leaders treat subordinates as fully capable of doing work on their own. Democratic leadership. I feel this is the best style of leadership to deal with Electoral College would be democratic style. As a democratic leader, I could try to help make the Electoral College go more smoothly. I would use the National Popular Vote Compact. I feel that people would be able to choose, and it would be more of a free choice. The conclusion of this paper is the Electoral College has been used for voting since our forefathers created it. It is a pivotal to the democracy. Although it was created for fair and just men to help voters have a voice. Many Americans do not understand that electoral college vote is a body of people representing the states of the United States of America who formally cast votes for the election of the president and vice president. The unfair things about electoral college is the majority of votes does not rule. The elector vote holds more ground. This is why I think electoral college needs a different kind of leadership. I feel that right now it is more of an authoritative leadership, and it's just done by what is supposed to be what they think is right. I feel like it should have more people in there with a democratic part of view to make it go more smoothly and make people feel like they have more of a fighting chance to get what they want out of life. This is my paper. Thank you.